Now, every product starts as an idea. Whether you work for a big tech company or a small startup, product ideation and discovery is the first phase of the product development lifecycle. So let's talk about how you can do it, what it involves, and the tools that you can use to get it done. Ideation is all about brainstorming ideas, so here are some areas to explore in order to generate some good ones. Now, you can always scribble some ideas down on paper, but here are some tools that make ideation easier, especially for a fully digital team. And this is where InVision comes in. InVision is now a digital collaboration tool for your entire team, designers, engineers, and product managers. They have templates spanning the entire product development lifecycle, including ideation. They have a bunch of templates specifically for brainstorming ideas, and they actually cover a lot of different ideation techniques. These templates are all in a real-time digital whiteboard, so it's really easy for product and design to collaborate. This is my favorite ideation technique. It's called the 5 whys. If you haven't heard of it, go look it up. Now, you only want to take your best ideas forward from ideation, and you can also do that with InVision. So follow if you want to see more about how to use InVision through the entire product development lifecycle.